In news overseas, the United States and Iran are at odds over whether Tehran has agreed to allow United Nations inspections of its nuclear sites. This comes as negotiations continue over a possible permanent end to the Iran conflict. The Iranian president has been meeting with Pakistani mediators while technical teams from both the US and Iran hold talks in Switzerland. Meanwhile, a separate plan is being discussed to clear a backlog of ships stranded in the Strait of Hormuz, a key route for global energy shipments blocked by Iran after the US and Israel launched military action earlier this year. However, there is continued disagreement over nuclear monitoring. Iran's foreign ministry says UN inspectors are not scheduled to visit any nuclear sites that were bombed by the United States last year. That statement contradicts comments from US Vice President J.D. Vance, who suggested inspections were expected.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.